Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best solar panels for RV battery charging that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking to charge your RV batteries off-grid, maintain them while in storage, or power your outdoor adventures, I've got you covered. Be sure to check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the Powwoxy upgraded 7.5-watt solar battery trickle charger maintainer. This compact and portable solar panel is designed to provide consistent trickle charging for a variety of 12-volt batteries, including those in RVs, cars, boats, and motorcycles. With a high energy conversion efficiency of 25 to 30%, thanks to quality solar silicon material, it's a reliable option for preventing battery drain during downtime. Plus, it features a smart internal protection system to safeguard against overcharging, short circuits, and overvoltage, making it a worry-free solution for maintaining your battery life. In terms of design, the Powwoxy panel stands out with its durable ABS plus PC frame and low iron tempered glass, ensuring long-lasting performance even in challenging weather conditions. It's scratch-resistant, impact-resistant, and waterproof, which means it requires minimal maintenance. The LED charging indicator is another useful touch, providing real-time updates on charging status. However, its 7.5-watt output limits its use to maintaining battery charge rather than rapid charging. This solar panel is ideal for those looking for a simple, easy-to-use solution to keep their batteries topped off during storage or light use. That said, it's not the best choice if you need high-power charging for larger batteries or consistent off-grid usage. Overall, the Powwoxy upgraded 7.5-watt charger is a budget-friendly option with solid reliability, but its lower power output places it at the 5th spot on our list. Pros include its portability, durability, and ease of use, while cons are its limited power and slower charging speed. Coming in at number 4 is the Sooner Power Waterproof 12-watt 12V Solar Battery Charger and Maintainer Pro. This panel is all about efficiency and protection thanks to its ultra-smart MPPT, maximum power point tracking technology. With a tracking efficiency of up to 99% and a peak conversion efficiency of 98%, it ensures you get the most out of every ray of sunlight. It also features an improved 3-stage charging algorithm, bulk, absorption, and float, to charge batteries more effectively and extend their lifespan. The build quality is exceptional, with grade A+ solar cells, a durable corrosion-resistant frame, and tempered solar glass. It's designed to withstand extreme weather conditions like hailstorms, blizzards, and sandstorms, making it a robust choice for outdoor adventurers. The fully automatic system stops charging when the battery is full and resumes when it's discharged, so you can set it up and forget about it. However, its 12-watt output makes it better suited for maintaining batteries rather than high-demand charging. This solar panel excels in safety and compatibility, offering multiple protections against overcharge, over-discharge, and short circuits. It's compatible with a wide range of batteries, including sealed lead-acid, AGM, and lithium types. While it's an excellent option for users seeking a maintenance-free, reliable trickle charger, its relatively low power output limits its versatility. Pros include its advanced MPPT technology, rugged build, and smart charging features, while the main con is its slower charging speed for larger batteries. At number 3, we have the Solperk Solar Panel Kit 20-watt 12-volt. With a higher power output of 20 watts, this panel offers a significant step up in charging efficiency compared to our previous entries. The monocrystalline A+ solar cells boast an energy conversion efficiency of 21 to 30%, making it a reliable choice for charging and maintaining 12-volt rechargeable batteries. It's perfect for RVs, boats, motorcycles, and even electric fences. The included adjustable mounting bracket allows you to optimize the angle for maximum sunlight exposure, enhancing its performance throughout the day. Built to last, the Solperk solar panel features low iron tempered glass and a corrosion-resistant aluminum frame, ensuring it's both waterproof and rust-proof. It's designed to endure harsh weather conditions with a lifespan of up to 25 years. The upgraded 8A charge controller is another highlight, improving charging efficiency by 20 to 30% over other controllers and providing robust protection against overcharging and short circuits. This kit is a great value for users who want a versatile, durable solar panel for light to medium charging needs. The plug-and-play cable connections make installation easy, and the comprehensive accessory kit includes everything you need to get started. However, it's not as portable as some other options, and its performance may not be sufficient for heavy off-grid power demands. Pros include its high efficiency, durability, and ease of installation, while cons are its weight and lack of ultra-portability. At number 2, we have the HQST 100-watt, 12-volt, 9BB cell portable solar panel suitcase. This panel is a powerhouse, delivering 100 watts of energy with advanced 9-busbar 9BB technology, which significantly reduces the risk of microcracks and extends the panel's lifespan. The high-efficiency monocrystalline cells offer an impressive conversion rate of up to 23%, making it one of the most efficient portable panels on the market. It's ideal for RVs, camping trips, and even emergency power backups. The design is both rugged and user-friendly. The panel is equipped with a durable aluminum frame, corner protectors, and tempered glass that can withstand heavy-duty use. It folds up into a suitcase format with a comfortable handle, making it easy to transport and store. The included 30A PWM charge controller ensures safe and efficient charging for lithium and lead-acid batteries. And it's compatible with most solar generators as well. While the HQST panel offers excellent performance and durability, it's slightly heavier than some of its competitors, weighing in at 22.6 pounds. This makes it less portable for users who prioritize lightweight gear. Nonetheless, if you need a high-output, long-lasting solar panel for off-grid adventures, this is a fantastic choice. Pros include its high efficiency, robust build, and versatility, while the main con is its weight. Finally, at number 1, we have the Renogy 100-watt 12-volt portable solar panel. Renogy is a trusted name in the solar industry, and this panel lives up to its reputation with exceptional performance and reliability. Featuring high-grade monocrystalline solar cells with a 22% efficiency rate, it delivers consistent power for a wide range of 12-volt batteries, including lead-acid and lithium types. The included 20A waterproof charge controller ensures safe and efficient energy management, while the foldable suitcase design makes it easy to carry and set up wherever your adventures take you. The Renogy panel is built to last, with a rugged aluminum frame, tempered glass, and a heavy-duty canvas case for added protection during transport. The adjustable kickstand allows you to position the panel for optimal sunlight exposure, and the alligator clip connectors make it compatible with a variety of systems. Its portability and high output make it a top choice for RV owners, campers, and anyone needing reliable off-grid power. While it's slightly more expensive than other options, the value it provides in terms of durability, performance, and brand support is unmatched. If you're serious about solar charging for your RV or off-grid setup, the Renogy 100-watt panel is the clear winner. Pros include its high efficiency, excellent build quality, and portability, while the only con is its premium price point. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, feel free to leave a comment down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next one.